para kay Coach Paul Ryan siguro, umiscore na.
Everybody on the floor, effectively. Ayan. Kasama na si James Yap, hounded by Ibanez and Evangelista. 9 to shoot for Pure Foods. Yap, fall away. Tumama sa gilid. Devans ako muna. Look out! Goodbye!
Hindi na nakakadunk no? Si Coach Ryan Gregorio naman ang naalarma. Back-to-back matches kasi.
Back-to-back baskets by Joe Devans. At naghahabol. Ayaw magpaiwan ng Welco Dragons dito sa opening quarter. Childlike. Childlike. Members of the panel. Childlike. Nico Halili with Barry Pasqua. And Pistol Pete. Peter Jung Simon announces his entry in the ball game with that jumper. Coming off a Pure Foods timeout naman.
Oo, dahil nga back-to-back baskets ito si Joe Calvin Devans. So, maganda yun, no? Kaling timeout, kumanin ka agad si Simon. Ang kanyan ni Simon.
Pete Tavis Devans, who's been the man of the moment for Welco with 6 straight points.
So, sabi ni Assistant Coach Caloy, 30 gagawin.
Yun ang kanyang kutob. Yun ang kanyang inaasahan.
Off the bench pa yan.
Off the bench, right. Score natin 19-12, lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods. Raimundo, pasa niya natapik. Nice dive by Lopez. Kaya lang tumama sa kanyang likod. So it will stay with Pure Foods, but the Giants with only 7 seconds to shoot here.
You can only appreciate yung effort nitong si Denver Lopez, ano?
Oh, by the way, Chico Lanete is in the ball game. James Yap for 3. Labanan para sa rebound. It will go to Welco. Nick Velasco figured in that battle. Nick Velasco, top rebounder ng ating liga.
Oo, basta maganda pagkakalipat na dito. 1997 pa ito pumasok sa PBA, 11 years. Pero nakita mo na parang spring chicken pa rin, ha?
Meantime, here's Devans. Teka, uy. Nako, there's a flagrant foul penalty 1, I believe. Tinawag ni referee Vincent Leda.
Peter Jun Simon.
Yun na nga, flagrant foul penalty 1 against Simon. Ano ba nangyari dito?
Tingnan natin.
There's Peter Jun Simon trying to break free. Ayun, tinulak si Joe Devans. Siguro sa pananaw ni referee Vincent Leda, hindi lang basta tinulak.
Pero pangalawang flagrant foul na naitawag kay Simon yung disconference, ha? And Denver Lopez cashes in 2 free throws.
Ang din pala itong si Double Apostle.
Ganun,
Peter na, Simon pa. Meantime, here's Velasco. 4 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Velasco on the move. Velasco against the entire Pure Foods defense. And there's a foul spotted against
Si Giants. Salvador na tinawagan ng foul doon. Actually, nakuha na sana nito si Mark Pingres, no? And Velasco at Joe Calvin Devans are the ones taking half of beats sa Pure Foods. Buwaba na yung abante ng Pure Foods to just 4 points from a high of 11. Nick Velasco is from Iloilo.
Yung Notre Dame dyan sa Amerika yan.
Sa Amerika yan.
Hindi yung dito.
Hindi dito yan. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol itong Welco Dragons.
Under 4 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Score natin 19-16. Pure Foods ahead. Question is for how long? Naghabol ang Welco. Simon fires. Napalakas. Tapi ka ng bola nakuha ni Chico Lanete. Lanete for 3. Rebound para kay Velasco. Nick Velasco now with 3 rebounds in the ball game. Here's Rob Wainwright. Sinasa kay Velasco. Had been short. Good effort by Johnny Ibanez. Mananatili sa bakuran ng Welco ng bola with 3:21 remaining in quarter number 1. Lopez. Wainwright. And now Devans. A long one. Yes, sir! JDZ with a DM
Ano
threat.
pa gagawin mo doon kung gano'ng kalayo? Sabihin sa half court pa lang, babantayan mo si Joe Devans? Tablo na tayo at 19-all. This is the first deadlock ng ating ball game at meron tayong 30-second timeout.
The man of the moment is Joe Devance, #1 overall draft pick, and he's showing us why. And according to that report by Magoo Marjan, he is close to 100%, and he's definitely playing like he's 100%. And look at his numbers so far, coming off the bench.
4 out of 4, including 1 3-point shot. 9 points na. Ito si Joe Devance, 30 ba ka mo gagawin? Baka 40 naman.
Inspired. He's an inspired gentleman dahil alam natin ay malapit na ikasal to. So he's making the most out of his remaining happy days before he gets married.
Yung nagpapati si Manong Sani Cabato.
Sani.
Nasa Kabugo, Ilocos Centros. Hindi mo naman kung sinabi kung anong pangalan ng iya mong namatay.
So habang kinakausap ni Barry si Sani Cabato through the cell phone, here's Jonathan Salvador. Ryan Aranya is in the ball game right now.
At ayan, si Ryan Aranya sa mga inaasahang mga papagising. Oo, makakapuno din sa pagkawala ni J.R. Reyes. Hindi naman sa rebounds, kundi sa puntos. Pwede rin rebound kung si...
He's an all-around player. Advance to Wainwright. Wainwright will be hit. Top shot!
Panglamang na ito.
Robert Sands at natawagan ng foul. First personal against Sands.
Ayaw pa. Tabla pa rin tayo with 2 minutes and 19 to go. Hindi pumasok yung unang free throw nitong si Rob Wainwright. Una itong naglaro sa Cebu, di ba?
Cebu Gems.
Cebu Gems. So,
naman niya dun sila, Rob Duan, Don Ontiveros.
itong well-coat. Baliwa ng binuray yung 11-point lead ng Pierfoods.
Here's Simon. And now Sam's on the right side. Simon for 3. Yes, sir!
At dalawang 3-point shots na ay contribute ni Simon para sa Pierfoods. Second unit na ito,
Here's Velasco.
Got away from Jonathan Salvador. 6 points in the ball game for Nick Velasco.
And we're tied at 22. Here's Lanete. Pinasa kay Pingris. Pingris came off the bench. Drop pass, Salvador. And it will stay with Pierfoods.
Napakaskip naman sa ilalim. Nick Velasco at Rob Wainwright ay nagtulong dito kay Jonathan Salvador.
Oh, my Dulay. Don Dulay is now in the ball game.
Hindi ba yan yung mga signs sa construction doon at sa kalye?
Ano yun?
Don't delay.
Do not delay. Okay. I will agree with
Men
Ay,
walking.
si Simon, tinawagan ng foul dito. That's going to be a second personal. So, ang lineup on the court para sa well-coat, Don Dulay, Joe Devance, Nick Velasco, Ryan Aranya, Rob Wainwright. Tanging si Nick Velasco na lamang ang hindi pa napapalitan para sa well-coat. Here's Aranya. Aranya on the move. Aranya, where's he going?
Nowhere. Dahil nawala yung bola kay Aranya.
Para naman sa Pierfoods, andyan si Chico Lanete, Rob Sands, Mark Pingris, Jonathan Salvador, and Peter June Simon. Here's Salvador over to Sands. Sands also deadly from Rainbow Country. Same goes for Lanete. Ang bilis ang kamay nitong si Dulay. Dulay, kinukulit si Lanete.
No?
Lanete for 3. Yes, sir!
Hindi nakulitan. Sanay na ako sa kulitan, sabi nito si Chico Lanete.
PM3 for Chico Lanete. 3-point lead para sa Pierfoods, 25-22. Habang paubos na ang oras dito sa opening quarter, is Dulay. Back to Velasco. Velasco twirls and scores!
Umawal po si Salvador doon. That was a fall-away shot. Papalitan na lang ni Adonis Santa Maria si Velasco. Pakasot pa. Take a look at this. Reflex na lang yan kaliwa complete sa 3-point play. Tabla na naman tayo. Maligayang Pasko sa inyo.